Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best throttle lock is probably one of the most underrated accessories for motorcycle riders. Imagine effortlessly cruising down the highway, enjoying the scenery without constantly gripping the throttle. This device allows you to set your speed, relieving hand fatigue and allowing for a more relaxed and enjoyable ride. Whether you're embarking on a long journey or simply commuting, a throttle lock can significantly enhance your riding experience. Number 5. Atlas Throttle Lock, Top Kit. Having trouble with the installation? Don't worry, we're here to help. Reach out to us first, and we can often resolve any issues with some simple troubleshooting tips. Before you consider a return, please contact us. We are happy to assist you. We can often resolve issues quickly. We offer troubleshooting assistance to help you with the installation. This can often save you time and effort. We are here to support you. Many installation issues can be resolved with simple troubleshooting. We'll guide you through the process. Let us help you get it working. We are committed to helping you with your Atlas Throttle Lock. Contact us with any questions. We look forward to assisting you. What we like. This throttle lock offers easy installation. It also provides troubleshooting support. If you're concerned about the installation process or need assistance, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. It works with friction to lock the throttle where you want it. Easy to install, the directions overcomplicated. Easy to install, holds accurate speed, takes up very little room and does not get in the way of hand movement, easy to operate. Number 4. 7CP01 BrakeAway Motorcycle Cruise Control. Tired of hand fatigue on long rides? This cruise control is designed for metric cruisers. It's a simple, effective solution to make your journeys more comfortable. Proudly made in the USA, this cruise control offers reliable performance. You can trust its quality and durability for your motorcycle adventures. The system allows for immediate release using the front brake or a manual release lever. It gives you full control and peace of mind while riding. You can adjust the throttle to any position while engaged. This feature allows you to customize your riding experience to your exact preferences. Engaging the cruise control is simple with its easy push-button design. It's an affordable alternative to electronic cruise control systems. This cruise control fits 1-inch bars and slips over 1/3/8 to 1/1/2 diameter throttle grips. It is compatible with many Honda, Kawasaki, Suzuki, Victory, and Yamaha models. Please note that it is not compatible with heated grips or bikes before 1996. What we like. This cruise control is proudly made in the USA. It features easy push-button engagement. If you are looking for a reliable and affordable cruise control option, this is the one for you. What people say. The lock is positive for engagement or disengagement. If in a panic you grab the brake, it automatically disengages, giving you complete control. The finish makes it look good on the bike. Number 3. GUAIMI Throttle Assist Lock for Harley. Introducing the GUAIMI Throttle Assist Lock. It's designed to relieve hand and wrist fatigue, making those long rides much more comfortable. With this, pins and needles will be a distant memory. This throttle assist lock fits Harley models from 1990 and newer. It works with both OEM and aftermarket grips, as long as the outside diameter is between 1/1/8 and 1/3/4 inches. It's a versatile solution for many riders. The cruise control is simple to operate. Just flip the thumb lever to activate it. It counteracts the throttle spring tension, allowing you to maintain your speed effortlessly. Made from high-quality nylon and rubber, this throttle lock is built to last. For safety, it can be easily overridden with a twist of the hand or disengaged with the thumb lever. It will never be locked at any time. Installation is a breeze. Simply slide the ring assembly over the grip and attach it to the switch housing. You won't even need to remove your grips to install it. It's a quick and easy upgrade. What we like. This throttle assist is designed for easy use. It effectively relieves hand and wrist fatigue. If you value comfort and ease of use on long rides, you should consider this. What people say. The throttle lock works as advertised. The design is simple and effective. It holds the throttle steady. Number 2. Universal Motorcycle Throttle Assist Grip. This throttle assist grip is designed to make your long rides more comfortable. It helps to keep the throttle open, easing the discomfort in your wrist. Simply rely on the brake lever to keep the throttle open. It's a universal fit, designed for most motorcycles and sports bikes. Made of 6061 Te6 aluminum alloy, it's built to last. The surface is oxidized for added durability, ensuring a longer life for the product. The included silicone ring is perfect for metal grips or increasing friction. It ensures a secure and comfortable grip. The on-top dial allows you to tune in the safest and best fit for your grips. You can easily adjust it to your preference. The package includes one motorcycle cruise control with a silicone ring. Get yours today and enjoy a more comfortable ride. What we like. This throttle lock offers a universal fit. It's made of durable aluminum alloy. If you have a variety of bikes and want a long-lasting, versatile option, it's a great choice. What people say. Easy to set, holds the speed perfectly. Once you set it, it will work again, and again correctly. Simple and works well. Number 1. CB4 Black Throttle Motorcycle Cruise Assist. Introducing the CB4 Cruise Assist. This auto accessory is designed for universal fit, making it compatible with a wide range of motorcycles. It's a convenient addition for any rider. The CB4 is easy to install. The item package dimensions are 6.75 inches long, 4.5 inches wide, and 1.5 inches high. It's a compact and practical solution. Weighing only 1 pound, the CB4 won't add significant weight to your bike. You'll barely notice it, but you'll appreciate its benefits on long rides. This product is proudly made in the United States. You can trust in its quality and durability, knowing it's built to last. The CB4 is designed with a universal fit. It's a versatile accessory that can enhance your riding experience. Get yours today. What we like. This product offers a universal fit. It is easy to use. If you want a simple and effective cruise assist, this is a great option. What people say. It does exactly what it's supposed to, relieves wrist strain and cramping so I can ride longer without discomfort. Installation was simple, and it stays secure while riding. It stays on, it does the job, really helps when if I get a cramp or if my hand gets tired. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.